Hi, I'm Jacob Walters, founder of ProtoWorks. We are a design and prototyping firm that helps hardware teams go from a sketch or CAD file to an integration-ready prototype. Fast and well documented, we're an all-in-one company ready to serve your needs. Before we get into what ProtoWorks does, let's meet John, the program lead who owns schedule, budget, and risk. His biggest blocker is getting early prototypes when he needs them. Build and integration delays ripple through his plan, pushing reviews, contracts, and downstream work. He burns weeks and thousands of dollars just to prove simple packaging concepts such as fitting together commercial off-the-shelf parts or designing and machining a quick metal enclosure or creating a 3D printed mock-up. John struggles to coordinate multiple vendors, which often creates messy handoffs and induces schedule slips and skyrockets costs. Just like John, I felt this in my own work. I lose days or weeks coordinating with internal resources and multiple vendors just to reach our first deliverable product or prototype. This results in dragged out decisions, increased risk, and energy spent on logistics instead of valuable design. My solution for this problem is a service called ProtoWorks. ProtoWorks is a service that turns your inputs into a decision-ready prototype. We handle mechanical and electronic packaging in a single workflow and deliver designs and products so you can keep your project moving forward. ProtoWorks allows green lights on projects to happen in days, not months. The outcome, lower project risk, predictable timelines, and the confidence to advance without costly backtracking. All the user needs to do is upload a brief document describing the problem or desired work, plus any sketches, documents, or models, and we'll schedule a video call within 24 hours to align on goals and constraints. After that call, our engineers rapidly co-design the solution with your team. Once approved, we build, integrate, and test the solution, delivering a tangible prototype or deliverable product with rev-controlled CAD, photos, and handoff documentation so you can move forward confidently. When looking at other options in the market, ProtoWorks is the only option that combines design, manufacturing, documentation, and speed all in one place. Companies such as Xometry and Protolabs are fast but transactional. They are great at making parts, but are weak on traceability and design support. Freelancers such as Joiner bring design talent, but speed and quality are hit or miss. With ProtoWorks, you get integration first design, rev-controlled documents you can drop into reviews, and fast, flexible delivery from a single accountable partner, so your projects actually move forward. When taking a look at our revenue model, we expect a typical engagement to look as follows. A customer will submit a request for a new design or prototype on our website. Our team will then schedule a quick scope meeting to review all details of a given project. From there, we'll send a fixed price proposal to our customer, which includes labor hours and associated rates, plus material costs. With a quote in their hand, a PO can then be issued to our team, where we then can deliver the sprint and evidence pack, which may include a product design or prototype build. When our customers experience the value added our team offers, we expect to see a significant percentage of repeat work in the future, where we then can become a true partner with their organization. When looking at our go-to-market strategy, we've refined our process around what technical teams value most, which includes speed, precision, and reliability. Our team plans to leverage our connections within the defense industry, targeting program managers we know, and sitting down with them and their teams to pitch ProtoWorks and offer pilot projects and programs at a reduced price. Once these small local teams know our value, we plan to continue strengthening relationships with them and expand to working with regional defense subcontractors, and finally expanding to national programs through referrals and partnerships. As I mentioned earlier, I am Jacob Walters, founder and engineer here at ProtoWorks. Our team has a wealth of knowledge in program management and electrical design. We bring hands-on packaging expertise and real customer empathy to every project. Now that you can see what ProtoWorks aims to accomplish, our ask is for $25,000. We'll use 50% to stand up compliant operations with legal, contracts, and security. We'll use 35% to buy materials, small tooling, and software tools to deliver demos and pilot projects. We'll use the remaining 15% for targeted customer acquisition, which includes events and outreach costs. In the next 2 quarters, we aim to grow from 1 to 5 paying customers, complete 5 to 10 prototypes, and target $50K in year 1 revenue. With ProtoWorks, teams move from uncertainty to confident next steps fast. If you work with engineers who need predictable integration-ready prototypes, we'd value your support and introductions. Thank you.